You're tuning into Black and White Sports on YouTube. The no-holds-barred truth on sports. The main event starts now.
All right, guys, we need to talk about this incident that happened at a Texas high school girls basketball game where a black student athlete was actually at the free throw line, and then noises were actually caught on camera, and I do have the clip. We're going to play it. However, guys, I'm not going to jump to any type of racial conclusions on this because we have seen where in sports, Rachel Richardson, it completely backfires. Now, in the clip that we're going to watch, it is clear that there are noises out there. Now, in the Outkick article here, because I got a couple of different articles actually pulled up. In this case, Outkick goes and it says, black basketball player shares video she claims shows fans making racist noise to heckle her. Now, she's on the opposing team. They're on the road. This is a road basketball game. She tweets out, "This is sad, heartbreaking, and uncalled for. Can't even play basketball without ignorance and racism in the stands. This really broke my heart. My coaches and teammates, please share this out and help us punish those involved." And that is Asia Prudhomme right there. She is the one actually at the free throw line. We're going to get to that in just a second here. However, she says that initially she did not even notice that there was any kind of noises. She says here in a different article, when I was at the free throw line, I wasn't really paying attention because I was always taught to ignore the stands, focus on the free throw. But after I saw the video, it really hit me in a soft spot. And I was very shocked. She said Monday during a Zoom interview, accompanied by her head coach and athletic director. So she tuned it out, and the guy, she actually made the free throw. Now, on Breitbart, it says fans at Texas high school accused of making monkey noises at black basketball player. And also on this other article here, monkey noises. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and play this clip here. And you can easily hear it because there's not a whole lot of people at this game. But let's go ahead and roll it. So she's at the line right here. And she made the shot right there. Now, what I really want to know is, we don't know the race of the people actually making these sounds. We don't. Have they actually done this in other games? Because according to reports, nothing was actually done about this. So we don't know the race of the people that made the sounds. Have they done it before? And apparently the sounds actually kept going on throughout the first half right here. And they're saying that nothing actually did happen. It says here, according to TMZ Sports, East Central High School athletic director Suzette Areola alerted Marble Falls officials about the verbal attacks, but nothing was done and no one was kicked out the game. Areola also said that the noises were also made at other times during the game. Quote, Marble Falls School District has an unyielding commitment to love every child and inspire them to achieve their fullest potential. And this applies to children outside of our school district as well, Marble Falls said in a statement. We will continue to work with administration at East Central High to fully investigate and hold students accountable for their actions. Marble Falls ISD does not condone any form of discrimination, and we would like students at East Central to know they have our full support, the statement concluded. So they don't know who made the sounds. Was it actually racially motivated? Now, Asia Prudhomme is actually saying that it was racism. I'm not jumping the gun. I'm not going to jump the gun because we have seen similar things play out. Yes, there was noises, but was it racially motivated, or was it more she's on the opposing team and they're really trying to distract her from making the free throw? Now, she actually did make the free throw. So that's all I got on this, guys. I don't believe that Outkick really has anything else in addition to this. When this happened, when I saw this earlier today, I was like, I don't know if I'm going to make a video on this because I do not want to jump the gun and come to any conclusions. Now, if there is something new that comes out of this, they find out who did it. And if it was racially motivated, I'm pretty sure, whoever did it, they'll find out and they'll handle that from there. That's just my thoughts on this. What do you guys think of this? Black and white sports fans, let us know what you think about all this in the comments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and we'll catch you next time.
Thanks for watching the show. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to tune in next time on Black and White Sports.